Welcome to a video about the consolidation process in Intercompany Integration Solution for SAP Business One. You define the consolidation landscape in the landscape of Intercompany Integration Solution Admin Console. You can define multi-level of consolidation. You can have a top consolidation and you can have a level between. Here, the consolidation of a country. You assign the company on the company details. Here it is assigned to the country consolidation company. The consolidation source is the local currency and I consolidate 100%. It's also possible that you can consolidate by system currency. It is also possible that you can assign a company to multi-consolidation companies. This means if you have a journal entry of £100 and you have 80% consolidation, then it would consolidate 80% to the country consolidation and £20 to the top consolidation. If you need special reporting filter, then you can add UDFs to have the filter. On Preferences, UDF Replication, you can choose the journal entry and activate the fields for replication. Inside of the company, you have to map the chart of account together to the chart of account of the consolidation company. On consolidation account mapping, you have on the left side the account from the company and on the right side you have the account from the consolidation company. You can assign the account from the consolidation company also to multiple accounts inside of the company. On top of the account, you have the consolidation translation method. You have average rate, you have historic rate and closing rate. The closing rate is the rate on the date you do the consolidation. The historic rate is the rate on the date you have made the journal entry, and the average rate is taken from the exchange rates. On the consolidation company, on the exchange rates, you can define the average rate. All rates are taken by the consolidation company. To start the consolidation process, you can automate it. You can define a start date, you can define a frequency and the execution time for each company. The journal entry will be taken every time from the start date. It will check the trans ID of the journal entry and will only import the new created journal entries. You can do the consolidation import also manually. First, you have to export the journal entries from the company. You can check the status. Now you can see the journal entry count. You can define the batch count in the admin console of the intercompany solution. When you go to Preferences, Consolidation Configuration, you have the possibility to define the consolidation batch size. Means if you have more than 5,000 journal entries, it would create 2 files in the background. You can also assign here replicated journal vouchers or replicate period and closing journal entries. If there is an issue in the consolidation process and it's not possible to delete or move forward, then you can also reset here the consolidation process. As I said, if you export again, it will check if the trans ID is existing in the consolidation company and will only import the new journal entries. The journal entries are now exported to a file. And now I can import Now the import of the journal entries is done. On the financial side, on the financial reports, on financial, you have now the possibility to use the default reports to filter your own fields and also to filter to the companies. You can use the user-defined field settings. You have here the IC branch code, and then you can put in here the value of the branch code of your company you want to have the report. On the top, you have branch source, it's your own field, and the branch type, it's also your own field, if you want to use your filter criteria for the reports. On the template, you can define your own report structure, means on the financial report template, I have defined a P&L with intercompany transactions and a P&L without intercompany transactions. So you have your real business inside of the report. To eliminate the intercompany trade, you have to set up the advanced account determination. Inside of the advanced account determination, you have two rules for intercompany customer and the intercompany vendor. And then you can remove these accounts from the profit and loss template so that you have only the real business inside your report. This you can also do for the balance sheet or the trial balance sheet. So you can see now that's the profit overall. And this is the profit when you remove the intercompany trade. Thank you and have a good day.